Hi everyone. Today I will introduce how to cook JjaJangMyeon. JjaJangMyeon is a representative Korean delivery food. In Korea, there are many China restaurants. There's a representative food is JjaJangMyeon and jjampong. But today I will introduce JjaJangMyeon. JjaJangMyeon is in English black bean noodles. But from now on, I will tell you just the JjaJangMyeon. And first, I will introduce the ingredients. This is noodles for JjaJangMyeon and cabbage. And this one is potato, some spring onion, and zucchini, and cucumber, and some carrots, and this is pork. And this one is jjajang powder. So I can find easily at our markets, but I'm not sure about your countries you can find this powder. But if you find it and try this JjaJangMyeon. Now I'll start to make JjaJangMyeon. First, I will cut the vegetables. This carrot. You cut the carrot into cubes like this. Not too big. Okay. Ready. And next, I will cut the potatoes. Also, same size of carrots. Okay. And this zucchini. And onions also. Okay. And this cabbage. Cabbage also same size. About the other vegetables. And slice the spring onion. This. Okay. This cucumber. Just slice thinly. I will put this cucumber on top of the JjaJangMyeon. So, for topping, now, first, if you want to cook the noodles, you put high heat. Over the high heat, we need a pot of boiling water. So I will put high heat. So it needs some more time. So just put it boiling the water, and then I will fry the eggs and pork first. Put the pan on the over the high heat, and then maybe 1, 2, 3 spoons of cooking oil. And First here, we put some spring onions first. So you stir fry the spring onions. You can smell the spring onions smell. This makes spring onion oil. So when you smell the spring onion, put the pork first. You stir fry it over high heat. Okay. When the color is a little bit brown, and add some onions. So you fry together. And then you put the potatoes first because it needs some more time to cook. So put potatoes and stir fry. And here is a little bit spoon of soy sauce to taste for pork. And now you can put all the other vegetables all together. Okay. Oops, this is a big one. Take out. And here, some minced garlic, little bit. Okay. When the vegetables are nearly cooked, and pour some water, maybe 200 milliliters water. And this black bean powder, JjaJang powder. This one is for 4 people. So today I'll make for 2 people. So half of this powder I pour here. Okay, some more. And so boil this. And at this time, you lower the heat about mid-heat and put the mid-heat. Okay, just leave it over the mid-heat. And now the water is boiling. So when the water is boiling, put these noodles. Maybe this thick noodle. This one is for 1 person, and maybe this 2 person. Okay. And then so leave it. And when the noodle is all cooked, you can see the transparent noodle. So at that time is noodle is done. So just leave it for about 10 minutes, I think. This JjaJangMyeon is a representative food, not just food, the delivery food in Korea. You know, in Korea, there's a food delivery system is really nice. Wherever you are, you can find, you can just make a phone call and you can get your JjaJangMyeon. Even you are near the beach or river park, and you can have your JjaJangMyeon in a really short time. Now the noodle is, I think, all cooked. So if you want to test it, just pour some cool water and rinse it and little bit eat it. And then you know it. Okay, I think it's ready. So turn off the heat and then you rinse this noodle cool water with cool water. Okay, now take out the noodles and rinse with cool water. And I think one more time. Okay. If you want chewy noodles, it's rinse with cool water. Well, and then I think it's ready to serve. So I need a bowl and put this noodle about half of it. Okay, and pour this jjajang with vegetables. And you know the sliced cucumber. So you put on top for topping. If you like fried an egg, and you can put on here and you eat together. It is also good. And put some more sesame seed. Now it's ready, the JjaJangMyeon. It's a JjaJangMyeon. This one is children really like it. So if you have a chance to try it and enjoy JjaJangMyeon, bye. See you next time.